Hey friends, it is Sunday afternoon and I thought I'd come over to the garden because I left the baby lettuces out and they're going to get too much water, but I wanted to take some video and show you how much water there is out here in the garden right now. It's really, there's a lot of rain. I think our rain gauge is full. Let's go check it. Oh, somebody put a rock in the rain gauge. But look how full it is. It's almost to the top. I'm not sure why there's a rock in there, but oh, the birds are still singing. But look at how full this bucket is. And the wheelbarrows as I walked in were full too. Oh, you know what? Maybe I'll do this. I'm going to put the watering cans up to catch more rain. It's a pretty great sound, isn't it? See, I already poured off the water from the baby lettuces, but they were full all the way to the top too. That one, nothing sprouted in. But I'm going to take them and put them under some shelter so that hopefully they will still keep growing for us.